Do you know why businesses prefer Shopify POS to Vend? You can manage both your in-store and online operations from the same location. Shopify's superpower stems from a single back office where you can handle customers, items, payments, and orders across all of your selling channels. This makes it simple to swiftly allocate items to additional sales channels, collect consumer data in store and online, and take payments everywhere. You may sell on social media and online markets. On Shopify, you may sell in person at a retail store or pop-up, as well as online via your website, social media, or online marketplaces such as Amazon. It's as simple as creating a new sales channel and allocating goods. Because Vend is merely a POS, investigating options outside of your business needs additional time and effort. You can keep your cash flow under control. Vend does not include a built-in payment processor. Instead, you must select from a list of payment providers, requiring you to handle several fees and contracts for your POS and payments. To chat with a Shopify expert, please click the link below. Shopify Payments is included with every subscription and consolidates in-store and online payments and disbursements into a single view, putting you in complete control of your money. You will receive tools to help you close more deals. Shopify enables capabilities that allow customers to easily link their in-store and online experiences. With email carts, you can give undecided consumers their favorites from an in-store visit to checkout online. Customers can sleep on it, and you can still clinch the deal. On Vend, this would only be feasible through third-party integrations. You can improve customer interactions. With Shopify's customer profiles, you can see a customer's in-store and online order history, lifetime value, and preferences. Based on this data, Shopify may display product recommendations directly in POS, allowing you to customize experiences and improve sales. While Vend does provide customer accounts, you will not receive the additional tools that will enable you to level up your clienteling game. You receive more for your monthly cost. The most crucial thing to remember about Vend's price is that it just includes your point of sale. If you choose Vend, you will still have to pay membership costs for your e-commerce platform and payment provider. With Shopify, everything is included in your monthly plan: POS, e-commerce, payments, and more. If you want to try Shopify POS, click the link below.